If you are a business owner or a side hustler or a founder in Nigeria, you need to watch this, even if your business is registered with CAC or not, because this news actually applies to everyone and different people have been given their concern regarding this news. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you what you need to know about this news and how it applies to you, even if your business is registered with CAC or not. So a lot of people have been giving their public opinion about this, and some are even sharing their plight about how they're feeling afraid or how CAC is not given concern about the country situation and how entrepreneurs are struggling with their business operations and meeting ends meet. In fact, some even attach this to the CBEX issue, to the CBEX issue, thinking it's one of the policy or one of the reason why CAC is doing this. So in this video, I'll be showing you what you need to know about the old news and everything. So one of it is the 6 week deadline announcement. The CAC in a recent announcement has set a firm 6 week deadline for all business owners operating without registration to formalize their businesses. Guys, this is a direct warning, like a direct warning under the Companies and Allied Matters Act, CAMA 2020. So if you don't comply within this window, you could face legal action or including a possible jail term. So whether you think this is a threat, I agree. If you think it is not, I agree, because remember the POS issue. In fact, I was not even the one that brought this up, but a client of mine actually told me that, Mary, I remember this the POS issue. We've not heard anything about it, something like that. So I was like, oh, I don't know anything about that. That's CAC for you. So let's see why the crackdown? Why the crackdown? According to CAC, many individuals and businesses are operating under names that are not legally registered. This not only violates the law but also misleads the public. I'm telling you, yes. And the commission is taking this step to protect consumers, formalize their business environment, and enforce compliance within the law. You see, I actually agree with CAC on this because I, as an accredited agent, have been having issues, like a lot of issue. In fact, I even had that same issue while registering my own business. I've been having a lot of issues with this kind of thing. Like, people want to register their business, and at the end of the day, they are changing their business name because it has been registered by somebody else. Yes, like I've had a lot of issues like that, a lot of issues like that. So I actually agree with TAC on this one. And let's see what CAMA says. CAMA 2020 says under CAMA 2020, it says it is a punishable offense to operate a business using a name that is not officially registered with the CAC. You may think it is a harmless also, but by the law, you are misleading your customers and you can actually be prosecuted for this. So the CAC are going by strictly by this CAMA this CAMA 2020. So you need to know the CAC position and enforcement, and which says that the CAC emphasized that it is empowered to prosecute offenders following the law, which means that if you keep running your business under an unregistered name, the law can and will catch up with you. Yes, the law can and will catch up with you. And remember, they are working with other government agencies, yes, and law enforcement to actually enforce this. I don't know, I'm not with them, but it's actually according to what they do. So let's see what business owners need to do, whether you are registered or not, what you need to do. If you are a small business owner, whether you are a fashion designer, a caterer, a stylist, or a student, what's the other name for this? I think a solopreneur. Yeah, this is the time to take action. Like, this is the time to take action. Just like I told one of my I just like I expressed my opinion in a public group that whether this is a threat or whether they are going to actually enforce this, you should use this opportunity to register your business. I mean, there are a lot of benefits and a lot of advantages to registering your business with CAC. And I'm not ready to actually dive into that today, maybe in another video, but there are a lot of, in fact, even if we do not want to look at that side, Just think of your business name being registered by somebody else. I mean, a lot of people have already. I saw a I don't even want to talk about this because like I saw a mall in Lagos here running their mall, their supermarket. Let me call it a supermarket. They're running their supermarket without registering their business. It was after they've set up everything and the whole thing. They it's a setting. Don't even let me talk about. So what you need to know if you are a business owners and you've not registered your business, please, we don't know what the CAC are planning to do. Even I do not know. So you need to take action. And if you are a registered business, if you are a registered business, don't forget that part of the news also says that you should make sure you are using the registered name, the right registered name with CAC on your promotional materials on and in the public. Also, make sure you include your registered number. Let me read it. Additionally, Section 729 of CAMA mandates that every registered entity must display its registered name and registration number at all business premises and on official publications, including letterheads, signage, marketing materials, and publicity documents. So, failure to comply with these requirements could result in severe penalties. So, if you are registered, why not showcase? In fact, I know a lot of people that they really, really do showcase this. Whenever you see their business name, you see RC, RC dot dot, it's like wow, BN, something, 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 IT, those kind of thing gives it gives your business or your brand a legal face. A legal face. So we are actually uh preaching to you to register your business. As a result, you understand how the country is. And here we are showing how we can help you guys if your business is not registered. And even if your business is registered, don't forget annual return is coming out. We are also going to do a video about that. Annual return is coming up and yes, you need to file the annual return of your business. So if you want to file your annual return, and you need help about it, don't forget to comment in the section. And also if you want to register your business and you need help about it regarding that, so don't forget to also comment in the comment section. So this is how we can help. We are launching our 1K for business growth challenge for business owner who find it difficult to pay the full money to register their business, like the full money. So you can pay 1K at first to reserve your business name, and within 30 days you complete the payment and you get your certificate. That's it. Yes, you can register your business in 6 weeks. You can register your business in 6 weeks. So we start with 1K, pay by installment, flexible and transparent. Offers available for company and NGO as well. Yes. So also if you refer, you can also earn with us if you refer. So there are a lot of benefits to this 1K for business growth. First is the 12 ChatGPT personal assistant challenge. We are going to pinpoint 12 ways in which ChatGPT can be your personal assistant. You don't want to know about it. Yes. We'll also be giving you business growth starter guide. I mean, your business growth starter guide. If you're just starting your business, the business growth starter guide that you need. You also be getting a free SMEDA registration and a free account opening guide for any bank in Nigeria. So yes, we are here to protect your business, protect your name, and avoid jail time. Yes, let's avoid jail time from CAC. So thank you very much. If you have any question, don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, the link to join the challenge will be pasted in the comment section or in the description anywhere. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and do all those beautiful stuff that you guys do. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.